I'm Akila, and this is and welcome to
Tagalog
for Kids. And today we're gonna talk about smells. Smell is amoy, amoy.
Amoy.
And what do we use to smell?
Ilong.
Ilong with the nose. Ilong.
Okay.
So this is a flower. It is fragrant. It has a nice sweet smell. So we say mabango. Mabango.
Mabango.
This is Aya's stuffed animal, Tracy. Tracy is a triceratops.
Hello.
Arms up.
Whoa.
Smell. Smell the kilikili. Armpit.
Wow. Wow.
Smell.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Tracy has a bad smell. So in Tagalog, it's mabaho. Mabaho. When Aya comes back in from playing outside, sometimes someone would jokingly say, "Aya, you're so stinky." In Tagalog, we say mabantot. Mabantot.
Mabantot.
Filipinos love patis or fish sauce. And it smells really fishy.
Fishy. What?
In Tagalog, it's malansa. Malansa. So what do we do to smell mabango and not mabaho? We take a shower or ligo. Ligo. Alright, Aya's gonna take a shower. Aya's gonna go ligo. That's all for today. See you in our next
Video.
Don't forget to
Like and subscribe. Bye.
and hit that notifications bell so you'll be the first to see our videos. Bye! Shout out to our familia, Rudine, Mirna, Reggie, Jonah, and Ryan. And extra shout out to extra people, Melissa, Ellie, Winnie, and the Lee family from Dad Goes 101. You can follow them on their Instagram.